Alright guys, welcome back to HM Advisor. So, I recently came across a program called Morning Method, and honestly, the claims caught my attention right away. The website says you can use AI tools for just a few minutes a day and potentially build an online income stream from home. Sounds pretty interesting, right? According to the sales page, the program is designed for beginners and claims that you only need a phone or a laptop to get started. It promotes a simple step-by-step system that supposedly helps people earn money online using modern AI tools. Now, here's where things get interesting. Whenever you see claims about making thousands of dollars a month with very little effort, it's important to stay realistic. The truth is that earning money online usually takes time, consistency, and learning new skills. There are very few shortcuts, no matter how convincing the marketing sounds. Another thing worth checking is transparency. Before purchasing any online program, it's a good idea to look into who created it, what exactly is included, and whether there are genuine customer reviews available outside the official website. You should also watch out for common warning signs like exaggerated income claims, fake testimonials, pressure tactics, or expensive upsells after the initial purchase. Now, does that automatically mean Morning Method is a scam? Not necessarily. Some online training programs do provide useful information about AI tools, affiliate marketing, or other online business models. The problem is when people expect guaranteed results without putting in the work. So, what's the final verdict? At this point, Morning Method looks more like a product that requires careful research rather than something that can be instantly labeled as a scam. If you're considering it, take your time, read independent reviews, and avoid spending money based purely on marketing promises. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it's always worth taking.